Hi, I'm James the Light Guy, and today we're going to be installing the iVRYBRi LED replacement headlight bulbs into this motorcycle. As you can see down in here, well, maybe you can, maybe you can't, we have an ample amount of clearance back here and open air for heat dissipation. You can see I have a large LED in my high beam and currently a HID bulb in my low beam. So we're going to be replacing those today. And we're only going to need a couple of tools. The first tool we're going to need is just something pointy to remove this top cowling. Couple of quick push pins, and the trim should pop right off. With a little coercion. There it goes. All right, we got that piece out of the way. Next, I'm just going to use an 8mm socket to remove 4 bolts retaining the whole headlamp assembly. With all the hardware removed, we can simply wriggle the headlight off and disconnect. And there we go. The next step in our install is fairly straightforward. We simply twist out the old H11 bulbs, my HID and bulky old school LED. And then take our new set of bulbs and pop them into place. There's one. And 2. Now all we have to do is put this back on the bike. First thing we have to do is reconnect our lights and try and remember which one was low beam and which one was high. Luckily, the wire lengths make that easy. High beam and low beam connectors, and then our marker light connections. A little bit easier to undo than to redo. There we go. And slide this back into place. All right, let's get the bolts back in. and then get this top cowling back on. First we reset these pins. There we go. And our install is complete. All we have left is to take a look and see how pretty she is. That's all for today's video. I hope that you found it entertaining and informative. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the section below for me. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more content outside my normal videos. Until next time, I'm James the Light Guy.